Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable debug logging for ads in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more privacy settings and then click on ads. Now here you will see enable debug logging for ads. So if you want to enable debug logging for ads, then turn on this button and then click on confirm. And if you want to disable debug logging for ads, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable debug logging for ads in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.